bestie Simone here, and I am back again with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew, because we're the best crew. And you know, follow me on the gram right here. So yeah, I know everybody's excited for moving into college, but the first part about that is packing. I know, it's gonna be a lot, it's tedious. It's always a little stressful because it's like, is everything gonna fit? But I'm gonna help you guys out with some packing tips, organization hacks, all that kind of stuff, so you can be the packing pro, okay? So I'm going to link my college video playlist right here. Basically it has a lot of videos like survival tips for move-in day, what to bring to college, what not to bring to college, 2 dorm hauls from my freshman year, just everything that you can think of. So definitely check those videos out in that playlist. I'll also link my college vlogs if you guys want to check out my freshman year experience at Spelman College. I'll definitely link that there so you guys can binge watch my college videos. It's lit. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into these tips, hacks, and organization survival guide. So for the first tip I have for you guys is pick out your color scheme and theme beforehand. So this helps whenever you're looking at different stores or just randomly in stores and you see something that fits your theme or color scheme and it's like, oh, that'd be cute or that's useful, let me get it in this color or this theme. So that definitely helps. I know I picked out my theme a little bit after graduation, so throughout the summer I was just looking at random things that I knew would fit my room theme. So that definitely helps whenever you're trying to pack, because it's like, oh, this doesn't fit my theme, let me just keep this at home, or just different things like that. It helps you to pack less as well. So the second thing I have is make a list of what you need to buy before, and if you can, try to put the prices of those or like the price range of those items, just because you can visually see what all you need and try to go through things and like, oh, I don't really need this, I just kind of want it. We all bring some stuff that is just a want and not really a need. So definitely, you know, like I said earlier, check out my what you need to bring to college and what not to bring to college so you don't overpack and all that kind of stuff. So keep it organized and all that kind of stuff and you'll be stress free. So the third tip I have for you guys is pack in advance. Start packing right now. If you haven't started packing, get started. It helps to slowly start packing things like, oh, I'm gonna go start with this drawer and like pack all the things I want to take to college and leave the rest there. It just helps that way, just because it won't be an overwhelming process. Whenever it gets closer to move-in day, you'll pretty much have everything packed. You'll just have some last minute things whenever it comes to that time to move to college. So definitely take that tip into consideration so you won't be stressed out. So number 5, organize by section. So basically you want to go through different parts of your room and different parts of your future dorm room and just kind of think, oh, for my bed I'm going to need this, this, and this. For my dressers, I'm going to have this in this drawer and this in that drawer. Or closet, I want my closet to go from shorts to jackets or whatever you want to do. Basically just organize it by that so it can be easier when you move into college. Everything will be separated in its own little section and it won't just be everything everywhere. That honestly causes so much stress. I know people who kind of just packed everything just in boxes and not really organize them, and it honestly stressed them out. So definitely try to organize per section. It will definitely help you out in the long run. So number 6, label each bin and box or whatever you're packing your stuff in. I know for me, I personally didn't do this and it kind of was like, I wish I did. So definitely learn from my mistake and try to label each thing that you're packing your stuff in. It'll definitely help, especially if you have a lot of smaller boxes or smaller bins. It'll definitely help because you'll know what is in each box and you don't have to open things. It just will save a lot of time. And if you can, you know, you can get clear ones and that helps as well. So number 7, if you have a lot of new things that you've probably bought for your dorm room or received as graduation gifts, I would say try to take them out of their original packaging. It takes up less space with all the extra cardboard and all that kind of stuff that comes along with it, and it's one less step that you don't have to go through when you're moving in. But I would say if it's something like that super compact in their original packaging, or it has a lot of different parts to it, I would say just keep it in that original packaging. So for like a comforter or something, or a mattress pad, I would say keep it in its original packaging because it's pretty compact when it comes in their original packaging. I know my LED word board or whatever it's called from one of my dorm halls, it had a lot of different letters and a lot of different parts and stuff to it, so I just kept it in its original packaging. It's honestly better that way, but for the most part things will be just wasting space if they're in its original packaging. So definitely consider that whenever you're packing for college. So number 8, for hanging clothes, I would say keep them hung up if that's what you want to do for your dorm room. All the clothes that you want to hang up in your dorm room, keep them on your hangers. So for that, I would just say get a trash bag, put all your clothes in your trash bag, and like tie them up at the like little hook. Or you can do it the other way where it's kind of looking like a dry cleaning type thing, and you can do it that way as well. Either way works, but it just helps to save time whenever you're moving in and packing, honestly, because you just have to put a trash bag over your hanging clothes and then, you know, carry them to your car or whatever. So definitely take that into consideration because it honestly helps with time and packing and all that extraness. So number 9, use other items that are more spacious to store smaller items. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Don't make it harder on yourself. So for example, put smaller things in your backpack that you bought for school, or your trash can, or your ottoman, or something like that. That helps a lot because it's already space that's being taken up. Why not put the smaller things in there? Also, another hack, put some of your undergarments or your socks or something inside of your shoes so that it will keep the form of your shoe for one, and it'll just be another space that's being taken up anyway, so use it more wisely. And another hack, I'm coming with the hacks, y'all. Put your more fragile items, maybe like perfume or just something that's super fragile, put it in your socks. That'll just be something that's practical for your space and your stuff won't break, and that's always great because you don't want to come to your dorm room and be like, okay, this is broken, I have to buy a new one. So yeah, it'll just help. Another hack I would say is use the straws. I would prefer the ones that have like the bendy straw. Use them for your like necklaces or like dainty necklaces. I would say use that just because you don't want to have to do all that traveling and you end up having a big knot of necklaces. I personally did this trick and it helped a lot. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. So my last and final tip I have for you guys and hack, I would say roll your clothes. It saves so much space and it creates less creasing for your clothes. It's honestly amazing. I didn't even realize it until I actually did it. So yeah, I definitely would recommend you guys roll your clothes instead of folding them, unless they're like super bulky like a jacket, which I hung up my jacket so I didn't really have that problem. But denim, you should probably just fold regularly because it just takes up more space when you're rolling. But for the most part, rolling your clothes saves more space. So definitely try that out and let me know how that all works for you. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. Definitely comment down below and let me know if you guys have a room theme or like a color scheme going on. I really would like to know. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this helped you guys pack more efficiently and save more space. That's key to moving into college because you're going to be in a little bitty room. You don't want to have too much stuff. So definitely don't forget to check out my 2 playlists in the top right hand corner of your screen in the iCards. And definitely read my description box for some more information about college and all that stuff. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!